welcome back. Last time we introduced ourselves to 10 people. Now we need to go and finish the quest. Tell him that we're done. Well, it only opens at 10 o'clock, so I guess we could... I don't know, check real fast this house. Oh, they still sleep, look at them. Better run out. I'm just early bird. She also sleeps. That would be the best way to talk with everybody while they're sleeping. Because I would be able to find every citizen. Maybe I should actually. Let's try. What is the first house here? This one. Oh, that's a pub. That's a police station. Let's try this one. Oh. Can't actually. I'm just gonna go town hall. Whatever. What a beautiful morning. What we should do? Is that a town hall? It is. What is this? Opens at 8. Closed on Sunday. Today is Saturday, not Sunday. Thank God. Town hall GF. Currently unavailable. Sit. Currently unavailable. Oh, you awake. How can I help you? I'm Xiao. I manage everything to do with community requests. I can assist you by posting them outside the town hall. No, I just need to finish my quest. Oh. Well. A little saves. Oh, here he is. So you met Moonbury residents. Great. Now let's discuss the most important part, shall we? You might seem that some of them aren't yet welcoming you with open arms. There is a reason for that. In the past, an accident occurred here that was the fault of a chemist. It did such damage to some parts of the island that our native plants went extinct. In the wake of this, Moonbury banned chemists, especially chemists from the capital. Ever since, Mateo's family have been our only source of healthcare. Everything was going brilliantly. We didn't need chemists to live our lives well. Until one day, Rue suddenly fell ill. Mateo tried so many methods, but none of them worked. And that's when I realized it. There's a problem we just can't solve by ourselves. Maybe we shouldn't write off a whole globe because of just one person. So I brought you here to see if you, a chemist, could in fact cure my daughter. And just as I expected, you did. My citizens still bear the scars of what happened. But I hope you come to understand them better and regain their trust. I want to give you this. Uh-oh. Letter. Oh, crystal. It's called an approval badge. A dog has it. It gives you permission to explore more of this island, so you can gather more materials. I do apologize if this is all rather foreign to you. It's just one of our town's regulations. Your success is treating Rue is proof of your abilities as a chemist. And if you can prove that you have other skills, I'd be happy to upgrade your badge to higher level in the future. I'm looking forward to see your contribution to our town. Damn, even they have social scores, like in China. This badge can be earned as you prove yourself to be a good chemist. With this badge, you'll have access to certain areas around the island for your material needs. The only person who can promote your badge is a mayor of Moonbury. To prove yourself as a good chemist, you'll need to be assessed by the medical association. What? Why by them? They can give you a letter of recommendation that will be useful to promote your badge. My name is Mayor. It's easy to remember since I'm also a major. I'm looking forward to witness your amazing skills as a chemist. Okay, no quests, so we go and gather the herbs. Goodbye. Come, dog. I know you have badge. No, don't need to lie to me. Nah. Good day to you. If anyone is rude to you, don't take it personally. I hope you like this simple town. That's the wife of the mayor. I'm not sure how you pronounce mayor. Major? Mayor? Meyer? Oh, what a beautiful house. We have badge. We are unstoppable. And we need about 300 rocks to upgrade. That's so much. Dog would die from this. Okay, come here. It's alright. Damn, I think it's better to hit big trees. You do about 2 times more, maybe a bit less, and you get so much XP, so much those rocks. Ah, they don't even not angry. Oh, new place. Ooh, they opening that thing. Forester. I think I saw him outside the house. Hey, what's up? Could ask same to you. Oh, it's nothing. We're just talking about all this. I said what's up. I thought he said it. What the fuck? This landslide has been blocking the path for quite some time. We used to forage for materials further down the road, but now our access routes are pretty limited. Clearing it away, you'd be able to travel further and find more materials for your potions, I suppose. For now it's enough. If you have supplies, maybe we could help you out. You'll need few resources and probably strong fishing net. How about you find someone in town who can lend us what we need. Clear the landslide. Go to Lazy Bowl Tavern. I could. But instead I'm gonna break rocks. You see, 3 hits it was, yeah? Count. 1, 2, 3 hits and 3 rocks. If you break big one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I think it was 6 rocks for 5 hits. One, 2, 3, 4, 5 hits. And you get how many branches? 4? I don't know, 4, 5 maybe. And big tree, how many hits? That's a big 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 2 times more. You know, I could just count them. It's not that hard. It's on top. Wood. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it ended with 3, now it's 7. So it's 4 pieces for little tree. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And 10 from this. So big ones are way more efficient. We got 10 pieces. So 2 extra basically. Oh, copper nugget. Now I'm gonna break only big rocks and big trees. But all the plants. Come here, bird. Okay, this one is very, very hard to break. I shouldn't waste it at all. More birds. Damn. Thank you. Ooh, there is some monster. A lion, maybe. Okay, let's go. Maybe we're gonna find some big tree before we leave. That's enough. Good enough. What she's doing there? Hey, I'm Bubble, one of Mulberin's rangers. Our duty is to watch for any trouble happening outside the town. Don't worry, I haven't spotted anything dangerous recently. no. Okay, Lazy Bowl Tavern. I know, right? What a waste. I agree, Miss Roonhart. Cool name. Hey, Seb. What were you yakking about? Me? We were just talking about the fishing nets we got from the primers. Why he answers her own questions? It's the second time. I'm a loyal customer. I use their nets to haul my heavy blacksmithing materials around. I use their nets to haul my... Okay. And our police department use their nets to capture wild animals during patrols. They're very sturdy. Why police catches animals? Isn't that the ranger's job? Or by animals they meant people. Too bad their stock is always limited. I get it. It must be difficult to make such a high quality nets. If only they could produce more, our lives would be much easier. I second that, Miss Roonhart. You look curious, Seb. Are you thinking about getting one? You'll have to go to the Primario sale then. I doubt they have any left. Good luck. Alright, let's run to that Primario sale. It's probably already too late though. You're gonna be asleep or closed. But at least we can see house. Ooh, that's very far. Oh shit. How this works? Oh, road. Okay. That dude's a vampire, I'm sure. Hello, sailor. Welcome to the Prime Rose sale. Oh, she has those cool hair. Oh, it's you, Matty. What do you need? Blah 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 blah. A sturdy fishing net. We're all out of stock. Don't give me that look. If you're really hankering after one, ask Otmar on the first floor. It's him who used to make them. Maybe he's got a spare. If the tides favor you. Otmar? Let's go to Otmar. Our nets are pretty popular, huh? Ooh, he's angry. But he's good at making nets. Hello. Why you here? Blah 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 blah. You want Otmar's steel fishing nets? Many people want Otmar's nets. Otmar's so happy. But this, the last one Otmar have. Can't sell it. Maybe trade for something. Need more stock for the beach cafe. Honey and seasoning for tasty corn. So what he needs? Here, Otmar made list. When Seb brings them, Otmar give last net. Otmar will wait. Wish you luck. Do we have everything? Three honeys, 5 basil, 5 mushrooms. What is basil? That is basil. Okay, we have basil. Honey and mushrooms we also have. Well, where did you go away, Otmar? That Otmar, where did he go? Ah, here he is. Damn Otmar. Don't want to talk. Otmar, say hi. Otmar don't like chemists. Leona don't like chemists. Wait a minute. Three honeys, 5 basils, 5 mushrooms. We have them. So what's the big deal? Basil, mushroom, honey. Oh, okay. Seb, you got all items. Yay. Let's go back to Otmar's place. Oh boy, my net is here. There it is. Here. The fishing net is yours. Hope Seb happy with it. Clearing the landslide. Yeah, everybody eating and stuff. Who cares? It's a kind of getting late. Maybe I should go home. Ooh, 1.5k, a lot of wood, a bit more rock. Yeah, we need way more wood. And way more gold. How you even get gold in this game? Selling potions to people? Okay, I think we can take off. It's too fast. Just checking, I'm not sure how clinic works. Maybe somebody ill just comes there and lies down. And I need to find them myself. No new potions. Alrighty, let's go to bed. Before day changes. Alright, thanks for watching. See ya.